Introducing the Club Car Precedent golf cart for sale from saferwholesale.com. This unit has the alpha body installed on it with the LED lights and turn signals. It also has the 6-inch lift kit on it with the nice 14-inch custom rims and tires, brand new rims and tires, along with the rocker panels in diamond plate on the sides. You've got your custom white and blue seats as well. And your cooler. It also has turn signals and your horn, along with the locking dash there in the front. Lock up your valuables. Call us right now, saferwholesale.com, 866-606-3991. Fully customized golf carts to your liking, any color, red, black, blue, green, pink, you name it, we can do it. And we can ship them nationwide right to your front door. It also has the utility bed in the rear, as well as you also have your radio, working lights, your speakers here, and you can easily plug in your USB, listen to your favorite music. Again, calls today, saferwholesale.com, 866-606-3991, and we can nationwide ship right to your front door. Again, the alpha body Club Car Precedent, reconditioned golf cart with all new parts on it. To your liking, call us right now. Again, saferwholesale.com, 866-606-3991. Call us today, saferwholesale.com.